For food pressure vessel manufacturers, welding large stainless steel heads has always been a major challenge. Low efficiency and dependence on skilled welders affect productivity and quality. Robotic welding automation is helping manufacturers achieve stable and efficient production. Food pressure vessels are widely used in food, beverage, dairy, pet food, and pharmaceutical industries. They require not only pressure safety but also strict hygiene standards. In traditional welding, operators must constantly adjust torch angle, welding speed, and current. To solve these challenges, STUA developed a robotic welding solution specifically for food pressure vessel manufacturers. The workstation is compatible with welding flange workpieces of various sizes, with diameters ranging from 1,000 to 1,800. The robot and workpiece move together, allowing synchronized rotation welding for stable and continuous weld quality. Stainless steel surfaces can create strong reflections, making traditional tracking difficult. Our system uses an anti-reflection laser seam tracking sensor to automatically detect and follow the welding seam. Through robotic automation, customers achieve more stable weld quality, higher productivity, and reduced dependence on manual welding skills. If you are looking for a robotic welding solution for pressure vessel manufacturing, contact STUA today. Let's build the future of intelligent manufacturing together.